Hi, I'm Ross, aka Beachy, and in this video, I'll give you my tips and tricks that I used to help my first ever YouTube channel reach 10,000 views in its first month. There are quite a few videos with contradictory advice online, so I thought it would be a good idea to give these tips that I actually used while I am new, and now that I know they've worked. Sometimes it's good to get perspective that is more practical and realistic from someone like myself who has recently started and is in a similar situation to yourself. So yeah, if you've just started, you're thinking of starting, or maybe you've had a channel for a while but have struggled to break through to increase your subscribers and views, then this video is for you. Before we start, let me quickly show you that I did in fact get this number of views in this time period. I uploaded my first video on the 2nd of August and I reached my 10,000th view on the 2nd of September. So yes, it is possible. This is also my first attempt at this kind of thing. I have no prior experience in YouTube. You'll be able to tell by the quality of my first few videos. They weren't so great. I lacked a bit of experience. I still do, but I am improving every time I post. Before we jump into the tips, I've left my most important tip for last. The others are important as well, so please stick around for the entire video. Tip number 1. Just start and post regularly, but with average quality. The first step is definitely the toughest, and once you get your feet wet, you will be able to move forward and keep going. You're going to struggle at the beginning. Your videos aren't going to be perfect initially, that's a fact, so just keep posting and try your best. Every new video that I post still has some issues that I can improve upon. I'm learning from my mistakes as I go, and I can tell the production quality of my content is improving with each post. YouTube's algorithm favors regular posters, so I would recommend getting a video out at least once a week. Try to keep the quality a bit above average. If you really are pushed for time because of work, family commitments, etc., then just make sure your videos are average and bearable. As long as they aren't completely terrible, people will watch them, I promise. Your skills and speed will grow with practice, and every time you post, your production quality will improve. You can see here that I've posted 7 videos over 1 month, with my 8th video just after the month ended. So that's averaging a video every 4 days or so. So just keep your videos coming. Don't be afraid, and don't be a perfectionist. Point number 2, your channel and brand. Create your brand and set up your channel by adding channel art and a profile picture. Nobody wants to support an unbranded channel. You will struggle to retain subscribers, which will indirectly affect your views. When deciding on your branding, consider whether you want to create an alias or whether you yourself are the main focus. This depends entirely on the type of videos that you produce. I have an alias which is common for gaming type videos, but if you, for example, provide online English lessons, it is better to be relatable, and thus you're your own brand. Point number 3, maximize your engagement. Respond to all comments, like all comments, and even like your own video. Every little bit helps. Get your family and friends to watch, like and comment on every video to increase engagement. This will help favor your own video on the algorithm. Remember that you can even watch your own video to count as a view and get the full watch time for it. The more views, watch time, and engagement a video has, the more YouTube will favor it. Videos are also only recognized as new by YouTube for 48 hours after posting, so take advantage of this as much as possible, get everyone in on the action in those first 48 hours, and get the snowball rolling. Point number 4, thumbnails. Create catchy, almost clickbait type titles and thumbnails that will interest your viewers. I said almost clickbait. Don't actually clickbait. Ensure the thumbnail and title is related to your video, otherwise you will lose the viewer's trust. A bad quality or boring thumbnail is guaranteed to keep viewers away. I'd recommend putting keywords in bold as well as a relatable catchy graphic. Try stagger the design of your thumbnail so that you have a couple of simple catchy elements combining to create an awesome and relatable thumbnail. I personally use Canva for most of my thumbnails on canva.com. It's really cool, it's easy to use, and it's completely free unless you want to go for the pro version. There are also individual elements on Canva that you can purchase for $1 or $2 if you want to use that, but not actually sign up for the monthly subscription. Point number 5, the timing of your video upload. This isn't critical, but the time that you upload can affect the initial success of the video in the first few hours. And as we know, YouTube can be a snowball effect, so this is definitely something to consider. I've noticed on my channel that there are slight dips in viewerships on Mondays and Tuesdays, with it gradually increasing from Wednesday to Friday, and the peaks are on the weekend, of course. Technically, it's better to then upload on a Thursday or Friday to allow your video to take advantage of the news status on the weekend. I personally try to upload around 4 or 5 p.m. at the +2 time zone. This allows my friends and family time to watch after the workday and in the evening, refer to point number 1. And then once Europe moves into the early morning and everyone is asleep, the United States moves into late afternoon, and the same cycle continues. As you can tell, my videos are in English, so targeting the European time zone initially and then moving into the USA works the best for me. You will just have to figure out what works best for you, but I would use this as a guideline. So finally, the golden key, the most important point that I can give you is point number 6, content. Produce content that is providing a service to others and name your video appropriately. The easiest way to grow your channel is to help people make choices. Most people come to YouTube to help them solve a particular problem. Try and move away from selfish content. I learned the hard way. My first video, Beat You Stream Highlights, is pretty much my worst performer, even though it was posted a month ago. Nobody is interested in a random person's gaming highlights unless they really provide entertainment value. Funny videos and fails videos would do better than this video of mine. My best videos all help people solve dilemmas. Fall Guys, Standard versus Collector's Edition, which one to buy? Fall Guys, Fast Food Costume Pack, Review and Price Analysis. Should you buy it? Should you buy Fall Guys, and is it worth it? The majority of my viewers come from actual YouTube searches, which is pretty cool. This means that people had this particular dilemma, searched for it on YouTube or Google, and then found my videos. Content found by searches is guaranteed to continue growing, even after the video is not designated as new anymore. In fact, my best video started off extremely slowly, with only 30 views on the first day. It then continued to grow as more people searched for it, and yeah, now it's exploding. As a new YouTuber, this is honestly the most important way to grow your viewership. You don't have many subscribers, you're not going to get a massive initial boost when you upload a video. You honestly have to make the right videos on the right content. You have to serve the people and help them solve the problems that they couldn't solve alone. Try to stay away from selfish content, videos that you think are cool because they inflate your ego or they help you promote yourself rather than helping others. If you serve the people, they're guaranteed to help you out. Subscribe, they'll want to watch your future videos, and yeah, you can start building a community and keep going. The snowball will keep growing. So in conclusion, let's go through the 6 points again. Just start, post regularly with average quality. If you don't post, your channel will never grow. Make sure your channel is branded. Remember, a nice profile picture. Maximize your engagement. Get your family and friends involved. Get everyone involved. Make sure to watch your own videos, like comments, respond to comments. Point number 4, thumbnails. Yeah, I'd recommend using Canva. Rather keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things and make it catchy. The timing of your upload. Don't upload on Mondays and Tuesdays. Try get it closer to the weekend and try post in the late afternoon if you can. And the golden key, the most important point, your content. Serve the people. Don't post selfish content. Post videos that people will likely search for on YouTube or on Google, and they'll be directed to your video and it will keep growing even after it's not designated as new anymore. So yeah, best of luck. Thanks to everyone for watching, and thank you to all my supporters thus far. Share your story with me and which of these points you're going to start implementing today in the comments below. If you liked the video, please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. So yeah, good luck and bye for now.